Yo, damn, I did not see all them folks up there on top of the hill, bro. What the fuck, everybody? I can't wait till I get some fucking color, man. Hey, where you been at? YouTube, what's happening with y'all boys, man? Back at it again, man. Today is literally Friday. Last time I was doing all the recording, it might have been Sunday, maybe. Might have been Sunday, maybe. I'm not sure. But welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, man, we are in pollen season, full effect, bro. This shit is fucking horrible. Like, this shit is bad. But nevertheless, I got a lot of things I gotta do right quick before we get into this video. Y'all hit that subscribe button, y'all hit that like button, drop a comment, let me know how y'all day going. Hey, man, I really been on some real humble shit, bro. But off camera, a lot of shit been turning me up, man. Y'all know how this shit go in your hometown, but a lot of this shit been turning me up. So enough of the humble shit, man. I'm about to get the poppin' shit, man. Mars on the way. Goddamn, I can't say too much, but just know they on the way. But yeah, it's a whole lot of poppin' shit summer, bro. Like, niggas about to get crazy. Like, the whole camp, bro. Like, and I got some more news for y'all that's about to go down. I really won't gonna do it, but I mean, I'm just gonna, like I said, it's my people, so I'm gonna do it and get in with it because simple fact, they like family. But at the same time, I'm still gonna have my full of attention to you guys in the channel with the clothing brand. So like I said, that's just gonna be like some side shit, some family shit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna tune y'all in with that. So I'm about to give y'all a cold start. My tripod is actually broke. I gotta order another one. I'm gonna try to give y'all a cold start the best I can. But I gotta show y'all how many sales we got on the clothing brand too. But like I said, I'm gonna catch y'all up after I go to town right quick and handle all the shit I got to handle. So give me like an hour or two. It's gonna be like a second for y'all. But yeah, man, let's give y'all a cold start. Let's get it. As y'all can see, bro, this shit is fucking bad. Let me step back. Like, bro, now you can really learn. This shit is bad, bro. This shit is fucking horrible. It's bad as fuck. Yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all niggas whenever I get finished doing what I gotta do. And yeah, nigga, let's get it. Y'all hit that subscribe button, y'all hit that like button, nigga. We on that shit. Hey, we about to pop it, nigga. I don't just know, I'm back in that mode, bro. I'm back in that mode. I got my excitement back. I got my goddamn, man, listen, I'm gonna talk to y'all once I finish doing what I'm doing. I gotta fill y'all in on a lot of shit, bro. But yeah. YouTube was happening with y'all boys, man. As you can see, we are filling up this where we are always at. We're always at the gas station. But man, do y'all see this? This shit is bad, bro. This shit is bad, bro. Like, it's just really pointless to even wash your car right now. Like, you wash it, and it's gonna get right back. I'm talking about, bro, you literally will wash it, and I will go park this motherfucker for like 5 minutes. This bitch will be coated yellow. So, right now, y'all will be getting videos of this dirty motherfucking challenge. So, back the fuck up. Deal with it. Yeah, man. I mean, I probably like clean my windows and shit like that, but so I can be seeing shit. Other than that, man, like I said, we really won't too much. Basically, I just topped it off so I can have a full tank. But I do still have to update y'all on sales and everything. So once I get to where I'm going, I'm gonna stop, show y'all everything. Like I said, I appreciate everybody from the hometown that has supported me. I don't think I got any sales from like out of the state, other than like family type shit. So like I said, I'm grateful for how many sales I got because I didn't watch people do first day drops and stuff like that, get 1, 2, maybe 5 sales. You know what I'm saying? If they really ain't got, like, don't know a lot of people where they stay or where they from. Not saying where they from, but like they ain't really got people that support them where they from, basically. And I'm just grateful for how many I got, because it could have went completely opposite. So it's just really a learning stepping stone for me, like I said in previous video. I know tonight we are going to a car meet again. We went to one last weekend. Other than that, like I said, we're going to a car meet tonight and link up with the guys later on. I might go to a little birthday party, my little cousin's birthday party right quick. I'm probably not gonna vlog none of that. But cause like I said, everybody don't like being on camera. So other than that, man, like I said, I will see you guys in 1 second. It's gonna be a couple minutes, a lot of minutes for me, but 1 second for you guys. So yeah, just a bit. Toot it up, boot it up, toot it up, boot it up, toot it, boot it, toot it, boot it, toot it, boot it, toot it, boot it. But yeah, man, I'll see y'all in a minute.
Nice.
Good. Oh. Hey. YouTube, what is happening with y'all boys, man? You see, we made it to the meetup spot. It's outside. Me, I think Mike, I think it's G. What's happening, my boy? Got a few jumps out here. Got some cars outside, man. Right. Yeah. We are probably, I don't know how far we is from the meet. I don't know how far we is from the meet. It's Pop shit right here. Pop.
What's up, man? How you been? Good to see you. Yeah, I got that.
Kinda OG.
What's that?
Oh, man, I can't wait to go 300. Manifesting it, man. Manifesting it, man. Y'all, this right here is telling y'all, you know, what's next. You know what I'm saying? I don't like talking about this shit, but I mean, y'all know now. But cat's out the bag, man. Hey, that suicide. Gonna be crazy, man. But like I said, man, we got a couple cars outside. So let me walk down here. Scat, Hemi. I think it's a Hemi too. The Hemi. I don't know what the Chrysler is. And then the Charger. But yeah, man. I'm about to walk up in here. I know the wind blowing. It actually feel good though. I got my boots on the ground. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get me some ice. But yeah, we out here. I'm trying to get as much content as I can for the meet. And yeah. Look, this nigga Ralph that made it. This nigga that made it. That nigga had to be speeding.
You know how to work it?
What's happening? What's happening? Bro, this nigga Ralph had to be speeding, bro. He had to be speeding. He still texting me in the other chat like, bro, I'm here. Ooh. I'm like, nigga, read the messages, nigga. Nah, nigga, that ain't got nothing to do with it. I told you let's go to Best Buy. You had to be speeding, bro.
Fuck yeah, I was speeding.
I said, bro,
like 130 on the way.
I said he had to be speeding to just get here. We just, bro, there's no way he caught it. Yeah. I can't wait till I get some fucking color, man. It's fucking piling away. Nigga, shit cleaned up. I should have cleaned my baby up, man. We out here working, not twerking. Damn, y'all. Good Lord, this bitch nasty. Fuck. Hey, y'all, I supposed to have brought mine. And we supposed to have went to the store to go get the GoPro so we can get some footage tonight. And I never end up doing it. But yeah, we never end up making it. So I was like, fuck it. I think we about to pull out, man. So, yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all niggas when we get there. That nigga's outside, nigga. Yes, yeah. Sweet. Danny! Check Pop out. Look at check Pop. Hey there, Pop. Y'all know the motto. We gotta get somebody to do something crazy. Hey, look, we gotta get somebody to crash out. He trying to hold a spot in a public parking lot for somebody else. What the fuck was that? That's what I'm looking like. Yeah. Yo, damn, I did not see all them folks up there on top of the hill, bro.
Yeah, that's a good POV.
What the fuck? Everybody got cameras out. Nah, this is crazy. That ain't nobody but what's it called ass. I'm telling you, shut that bitch right there. Hey, manual ain't it? He threw that song, bitch, boy. That bitch right now. Ooh, smooth shit. No.
Hey, he play with the night joke.
Hey,
we alright.
I know. Brandon, man.
But it fucked up out here.
Fish.
With no legs. No legs.
Come on, let's do that shit.
Buddy.
I'm about fuck. I'm ready to go.
You lying?
What's stopping you, my boy?
Ain't no motherfucking murder. What you drinking on?
Yeah, man. We gotta get somebody. We gotta get somebody to crash out.
Yeah.
What you?
Already? Sir.
Alright, boy. Alright, hold it. We only said take a shot. Hey, buddy. Something's wrong. He got something going on in his life. Really.
Like that. I see what happened.
I swear to God, I thought that nigga was sweating.
I love my photo. I think it's
Do it again, fucking God. Mom, hold it back, Mom. Hold it back, Mom. You'll be on your hood. Get it. Hey, go.
Say something, boy.
You almost.
Oh.
It's about to come back up, ain't it? Gotta go over there.
Good to go. Let's go.
First time doing that shit.
Fuck no.
It's the first rodeo.
Where y'all from, bro?
From a jail.
Okay.
Where you from?
Man, I'm from Virginia, dog, too, man.
Alright, man. You take it light for the rest of the night.
No, I'm taking the heavy. Real something,
Huh?
I'm taking the real heavy.
Alright. We gotta get somebody to crash out.
Yo, what?
Burnout.
Dude, hey, let's find them. I'll find them. Hey. I'll find them right now, bro.
I say let's do it.
Are y'all ready to find the crash outs? Let's go find them. Let's go find them. Hey, if I was driving and I was on some suspended license, I'd be fucking hitting this motherfucker. Of course they're suspended.
Huh?
You Exactly.
And how you hit that bitch?
Whenever the fuck they give me
Ow.
I'm gone.
I hope they don't give it to me.
Hey, I ain't gonna hurt you, bro. I got you, bro. I'll hear you over the fucking me off. Hey, don't worry about it.
How weak.
What's your name again? I'm gonna call them bitches Monday. Tell them don't give you.
Oh, you better not. I was supposed to be driving right now.
It's
bro.
alright, man.
Fuck 12.
It's gonna start with you putting that down, man.
It's gonna start when I say fuck 12.
What the hell kind of car you got?
I got an S-Train GMC Sierra.
I knew you drove a truck. I knew you drove a truck. Yeah, I drive. That's your damn thing. You should have driven a truck.
You had to get a DUI.
Yeah.
It's self-explanatory.
That's got to be racist.
Pretty obvious. Try to go out here and show y'all some of the cars. That motherfucking TSX talking shit. That motherfucking TSX talking shit. I might get copyrighted. I try to put some music across it, but man, this ain't number motivation right here. Motivation right here, man. Oh my God. Ah. Ooh wee. I love that fucking color. Damn, this shit alright, bro. Spot is crazy though. But yeah, before the end of the night, we gotta find somebody to crash out. Gotta find somebody to crash out. Damn, y'all, I ain't even get y'all give me revving. Everybody came over here. I ain't even get to record me revving. I won't even think about recording.
That bitch louder than the
I ain't lying, bro.
I tell you, that's the president right here. The president right here. The president right there. President meet you, man. Miles. President meet you, Miles.
Yeah, but this bitch alright, man. I'm so mad my baby's so fucking dirty, man. Shit is ass. Yeah, man, some crazy shit going on. I'm gonna turn y'all alias back on. I don't know what the hell is going on right now.
It was hot. It was so
We from the country.
y'all out y'all top.
from the
Yeah, y'all
country.
yeah.
Real shit.
Boy, I be scared to do shit.
Crank this motherfucker, nigga. Crank it.
Oh yeah, nigga, we waiting, nigga. We waiting, nigga.
It was louder.
Yeah.
He got a new exhaust.
You can hear that Cam.
We all Cam. Me and Twin. What's happening? SRT Mud.
We all can.
Yeah. We from the country, my nigga. We build our shit. Turn this goddamn boost up. You wanna pop it? You wanna pop it? A 6.1, cam, supercharged, everything. 101. 101. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. They don't need to see no more. They don't need to see no more. No more. They don't need to see no more. They don't need to see no more. I got this camera right here. I swear to God. I swear to God.
Oh Lord, now George got it down.
No more. No more.
You said it was already on.
Oh, please. We all went to the same tuna too.
He ain't gonna tell that.
Say, nah, we went to EFI. It's in Fredericksburg. He big on Mopar. Boy got that big motor in that thing. Hey G, you gotta, you know, keep it between 3, 4, and that's about 5, 6, 7. You know, put these pedals on. Nah, G, let me show you, G. Let me show you, G. Let me show you, G. She ready to send that bitch out with $8 grand. Damn. Hey, that's all you need, G, is a little bit of, you feel me? Then, hey, look, then when you do that, then you come with the big one at the end. Wow, then you feel me? That's it. You ain't gotta, wow. I'm trying to tell you. My nigga Combo then moved to 300 over here. My nigga G be ready to blow that bitch, yo.
Hey, G, we're gonna pack that blue Charger up tonight.
Y'all, we need somebody to crash out. But we can't find nobody to crash out.
Freak you, nigga. The fucking meat, nigga. Nigga, 804 meats. It's over here at Drive Shack. Man, nigga, I been called you so you can get in traffic, nigga. Hey, look, hey, vlog, look at this nigga, bro. This nigga get his car wrapped. This nigga Ray get his car wrapped. Nah, you bring your ass back to this camera. This nigga get his car wrapped and all, and think he done blew his strands. He don't even want to come outside. Look at this nigga. He's sorry. Look at this nigga.
That nigga sleeping, man.
I ain't even know my niggas.
Y'all, don't he look like Moneybag Yo? So is your man? This shit don't end until 10, nigga. Is your trans messed up for real?
I did see post that shit too. Cause he slide. And I told your ass, don't be out here motherfucking slide. But you hard.
Hey. Hey, shit. Put up on us. Yeah. Turn the camera. Hey, vlog. Y'all make sure y'all go follow my nigga on all platforms. Ray 21K, nigga. Hemi boy Ray. Y'all go fuck with my nigga. Hey, vlog. Tell this nigga come pull up on me. Sweet, what you say I look like? Hey, we got us one, boys. Big 300, we got us one. Wait a minute. More air. Ay. Y'all wait time back some shit. I don't give a fuck what none of y'all niggas say. Fuck y'all. Oh, look at OG. OG, triple OG.
Oh yeah, hit it. Hit the switch.
Yo! I'm weak. What the fuck? Oh shit!
Today was a good day.
Huh? No cap. It's too many cars.
Too many cars, too many cars.
Y'all know what's going on.
I'm in this bitch with TB. I'm in this bitch with 4 train. I just pulled up me a 8. Yeah.
Did he say?
Whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip. Nigga.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna turn the camera back on. This crazy shit going on. Y'all say what's happening to my cousin. And no, y'all not get her at or nothing. I'll shoot y'all in y'all fucking face.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
They done fucked it up. Oh, they done fucked it up. They fucked it up. Get in there, 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 get in there. And you better choose wisely. That's my bad. You gotta do it for the vlog. You gotta do it. You gotta do it for the vlog. You gotta do it for the vlog. Do it. 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 Bow. 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 Yeah. 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 Bow. 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 Do it. Do it. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Hey, where you been at? Where you been?
You're done, buddy. You're fucking cooked, baby.
Fucked up. I'm up down, bro.
Only you can do that shit right there. Get that, my cousin.
No, yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, only you can do that type of shit right there, bro. Don't be scared.
Yeah.
When the crowd comes to you, you perform.
Do your shit, boy.
It's about that confidence. Going, little man.
Yeah. Hey, look, he remember it forever. He will remember it forever. He like, damn, you gonna put, hey, this nigga like, you gonna put me on a hot spot like that? Hey, look, shit like that builds character, my boy. Give me some. No, you better get behind that thing, boy. Get behind that thing, boy. Yeah. Do it. Put your leg up. Put your leg up. Put your... Oh, shit. Wait, I gotta get it for the vlog. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. I love it. I love it. 6 feet. Yes, sir. Let's go. He is winning.
My young niggas hop out with Drake.